Sit. Put that on the can.
The birds everywhere.
They're running the gauntlet
To
now.
somebody who hates birds, hell.
They're running the gauntlet.
Look. Those who throw objects at the gators will be asked to retrieve them. Running the gauntlet. Watch me get bird poo on me and scream. Our brave Maddie and our crocodile hunter Alma.
Look at them over there.
Look, there's a convention of them. Ah, alligators! Don't be afraid.
Oh,
Bird!
my goodness. How awesome. Look how pretty that tree is.
Pretty true. Bird convention. They're everywhere. Look at the one. Sorry to make you all sick with my shoddy camera work. An alligator. It's starting to rain. Hello.